This past weekend, I did an analysis of a number of stocks, and one of them was QXO. And as a result of that analysis, Samantha, my AI agent, suggested that I sell QXO. And I put that in a white paper and distributed it to you. I hope you got a copy of it. And then on Sunday, it was announced that QXO was buying Top Build. And Top Build is a company that is actually almost larger than QXO. And the market indicated that it was going to buy it for $17 billion. And the market read that as a substantial dilution of shares, and the stock dropped 11.5% that following day. Since then, it has continued to drop, and that is, I'm sure, as a result of the market believing this is a dilution of shares, and thus the value of the stock per shareholder goes down substantially. So what I did was go back to Samantha with this information, Samantha being my AI agent, and said, reevaluate and give me some indication as to what I should do. I think the reevaluation is something you need to hear. What I do is she writes me a 20-page document, and then I turn that into a podcast, and I share that with my tribe members. And I think if you are wondering what is the value of AI relative to investing in the stock market, you need to hear what Samantha and Bard, my two AI agents, shared with me relative to this purchase by QXO of Top Build, so that you understand what's available to you now through AI. Because AI, I believe, and again, this is only my belief, is changing the world of investing. It is putting you and I on a level playing field with the hedge funds, with the Wall Street executives who have ample money to hire some of the best analysts. You now can compete with them and beat them. That's my opinion, and that's all it is. So what I want to do is put a link in the description to the podcast that Samantha and Bard give a total and in-depth explanation as to what is going to happen to QXO relative to their purchase of Top Build, and all the information you need to make a good investment decision. I think it's important that you know what's available. Whether you participated in it is up to you. How you participated in it is up to you. But you need to understand what's currently available in investing the new way. Hope this is helpful to you.